Welcome dear students. In previous video we have seen activity sheet and appreciation of poem The Inchcape Rock. Now we will see the last question, figures of speech. This question also for a 2 marks in activity sheet. First figure of speech is repetition. Already we have discussed कि repetition क्या होता है when the words or phrases are repeated. So little they rose, so little they fell. Here so little, it is repeated. It made him whistle, it made him sing. Here, it made him repeated. Next is metaphor. Metaphor means indirect comparison. A sound as if with the Inchcape bell, the devil below was ringing his knell. Here, the Inchcape bell has been indirectly compared to the death knell that the rower can hear the devil ringing. यहाँ पे indirect comparison किया है. Next is personification. Personification means where inanimate thing or dead thing are spoken as if having a life. The sheep was still as she could be. Sheep is a dead thing. कि वो एक निर्जीव वस्तु है और उसको human quality दी गई है. The sheep and inanimate object has been given human quality with the use of feminine pronoun she. Her sails from heaven received no motion. Here her stands for a ship. Ship को her ये pronoun दिया गया है. So human quality and that's why it is also personification. All things were joyful that day. Here things has been given human quality of a joyful. On the bow in the storm it floated and swung. Here also the Inchcape bell has been given the animate quality of floating and swinging. Next is simile. Simile means direct comparison. The sheep was as still as she could be. Here the slight movement made by sheep is compared to the complete stillness with the use of word as. Next figure of speech is inversion. Inversion means where the grammatical order of word is changed to suit a particular rhyme, scheme or any poetic effect. कि यहाँ पे word का order आपको change करके मिलता है. Her sails from heaven received no motion. Here the word order is changed. Proper word order is her sails received no motion from heaven. And over the waves its warning run. Here the order of words should be the word order has been changed to create poetic effect. The correct order is and its warning run over the waves. Next example is a darker speck on the ocean green. Here correct order is a darkest speck on the green ocean. Quoth he, my man, put out the boat. Here correct order is he quoth, my man, put out the boat. यहाँ पे correct order भी आपको brackets में दिया हुआ है. Down sank the bell with gurgling sound. Here the bell sank down with a gurgling sound. At evening it had died away. It had died away at evening. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में जो भी दी हुई चीजें हैं, जो भी सेंटेंस दी हुई है, it is in a correct form. On the deck the rower takes his stand. The rower takes his stand on the deck. So dark it is, they see no land. It is so dark that they see no land. Here the correct answers are also given. Quoth Sir Ralph, it will be lighter soon. Sir Ralph quoth, it will be lighter soon. Proper order is given. Now where we are, I cannot tell. Now I cannot tell where we are. That is the correct order. One dreadful sound could the rover hear. Here the sentence is in a jumbled order. Now we have to write the correct word order. The rover could hear one dreadful sound. Next figure of speech is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia में क्या होता है? Sounding words are used. The words that imitate sound are used for poetic effect. ऐसे शब्द, ऐसे words जो sound दर्शाते हैं, जो ध्वनि या आवाज दर्शाते हैं. It made him whistle. It made him sing. Here word whistle. Whistle बोलने से सीटी बजाना. So it is a sounding word. That's why it is onomatopoeia. Down sank the bell with a gurgling sound. Here gurgling denotes sound. So here while writing the explanation you have to write like that. The above figure of speech is onomatopoeia as the sounding word gurgling has been used for poetic effect. Canst hear, said one. The breaker roar. Breaker means waves. Roar is a sounding word. The devil below was ringing his knell. Here ringing denotes the sound made by bell. Next figure of speech is apostrophe. Apostrophe की definition दी है bold letters में. In apostrophe, an absent person, an inanimate object or an imaginary character is addressed as though present. कि inanimate object, absent person ऐसे दिखाया जाता है कि जैसे वो उनके सामने present हो. Just as example, O Christ, here already the Christ is not present, but here addressed as if he is present there. So here a direct address has been made to an entity that is not present. That's why it is apostrophe. Next figure of speech is alliteration. In alliteration, the consonants are repeated. Already we have discussed in the last poems. Without either sign or sound of their shock. Here the repetition of S sound. If you will see SS sign and sound. And over the waves, its warning run. Here waves and warning. W is repeated with quick succession. When the rock was hit by such swell. Here repetition of W and S. And then they knew the perilous rock. Here the repetition of TH. Quoth he, my man, put out the boat. Here the repetition of M. The bubbles rose and burst around. Here the repetition of B. He scored the seas for many days. Here the repetition of S. He cursed himself in despair. Here the repetition of H. Now where we are, I cannot tell. Here you will find the repetition of where and W, that is where and we, that is the repetition of W. Now next figure of speech is antithesis. Antithesis means जहाँ पे opposite words, opposite ideas रहती है. The opposite words or ideas are expressed. So here one example is there. So little they rose, so little they fell. यहाँ पे rose and fell, both are the opposite words which are used. Now here we have finished our poem. I think you like the explanation of figures.